Dearly beloved and honored guests, we are gathered today in the sight of God and these witnesses to join together Nicole and Mason in holy matrimony.
Mason Michael Fogelsonger, it has been 7 years, 5 months, 19 days since the day I thought you asked me out in your sleep, and I love that our love story starts there.
Nicole, where do I start? I won't make it long. I know you have a dance floor calling your name. You're the woman I have wanted to marry, and today is that day.
Nicole, you are absolutely stunning today. You are glowing of genuine happiness, and I love that for you. Nicole, you have been the big sister I never had. I can laugh with you. I can cry with you. I can wonder what new Facebook Marketplace item Mason or Corbin are bringing home with you. Mason, I wasn't exactly sure what I was going to say to you on this day. I do want to thank you for being the example of an amazing dad and now husband that Corbin has been able to see.
I have watched you grow from a teenager to an amazing mother. I guarantee in your hands that Justin will have a fun and bright childhood, and before we know it, it will become a brilliant young man. Nicole, you have always been a great addition to this ragtag group of boys. I remember seeing your bright blonde, raised face smile like crazy every time I saw Mason come around. I have watched you grow into the incredible woman that you are today.
Mason, I couldn't be more proud of the man that you have become. You work super hard for what you have a great group of friends, and you love your family with all of your heart. 3 of the most important qualities to have as a man, and now a husband.
I vow to rub your back for approximately 2 minutes when you ask me after I've already gotten comfortable in bed. I vow to have your back without fail in all circumstances. I vow to prefer your cooking over mine. I vow to remind you that everything is going to work out when money worries creep in.
You are that person I was meant to grow old with and cranky. You are the woman I have created a family with. Your love is endless. Your heart is full of love to give.
I vow to argue till our last breath for that 4th child. I vow to listen to the rock music that I don't quite understand, but that you love. I vow to give you grace as you lead our family through this crazy world. I vow to help keep Greg's legacy alive in our children's lives.
Your calling is to be the greatest mother you have become. I aspire to give you everything you deserve and more.
I vow to hold your hand through the goods and the bads. I vow to be your partner in crime. I vow to be your #1 fan. I vow to be your friend, confidant, lover, and wife.
From your morning sleepiness to your nightly zoomies, I will always choose you in this life and the next.
You are my heart. You are my dream. Come alive. My everything.
I vow to be your forever and always without failure. I love you and this life we have built together. I love you and our little boy and our 3 rugrats at home. I love you and your love for me. I love you.
For forever.
I wanted to add a Bible verse in that showed my love and appreciation for you. Jeremiah 31:3. I have loved you with an everlasting love. I have drawn you with unfailing kindness. I love you, Nicole.
By the authority vested in me by American Marriage Ministries and the state of Pennsylvania, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.
Next to you. You're the sweet sensation I need. What have I got to lose? Sugar, it's only human nature for me. Little by little, blue eyes and a pencil skirt. Slide through the middle.
If I could have everyone raise a glass, I'd have a quote I'd like to share. Some ships are wooden ships, and those may sink. The best ships are friendships, and to those we drink. Thank you, guys.
It don't make a difference for me.
kept Nicole's engagement ring safe before Mason proposed, and I'm happy to see this day finally come together, a year and a half later. Nicole, I hope you enjoy growing old with Mason as much as I enjoy growing up with him. Thank you all for coming, and let's have a great night.
I encourage you both to love each other hard, even in the times you have nothing left to give. Be patient with each other, listen, give space when needed, and remember to hug often. Give grace as you continue to grow together. Allow independence to blossom individually. Enjoy the little things and celebrate the big things. Don't take any days for granted.
I had someone tell me the exact time you guys kissed under the altar and were officially the Fogelsongs. I've stopped time on this clock to represent that exact moment. Anytime you are frustrated, having a rough day, having a great day, you can take a second and look at this clock and remember how you felt in that exact moment. Now, I love you guys and I wish you the happiest marriage because you both deserve it. And so much next to you.
I pray that your love is modern enough to survive these times and old-fashioned enough to last forever. Please raise your glasses and let's cheers to the newly Mr. and Mrs. Fogelsonger. Congrats, I love you both. Let's dance.